Hi guys, welcome to Sassy Spiritual Junkie, and today's reading is about like what is coming, like a collective message for you all who is going to watch. And I really manifest it reaches to right people who need this message. And remember, it's a general reading, may or may not resonate, so don't try to fit in the reading. Take only what resonates. You will just know in your gut that this message is for me, and but don't try to fix it deliberately. You will feel it intuitively. Okay, so let's look into your reading. What is coming for this collective? What message is coming for this collective? So sleep issues, disturbed sleep, overthinking, that's your energy. So maybe this is your signal. Something I feel some kind of cycle is about to get closed, but you cannot anticipate about it. You cannot comprehend what, how, why, these kind of questions are going on. But there is something closing off, yet you don't know. But let's see what is coming. I feel somewhere you're also facing some digestive issues. Not for all, but some of you, it's impacting your gut health. Okay. So the next card we have Judgment, and immediately after Nine of Swords, it tells about that a new cycle is about to open, a new timeline, like you are going to shift into new timeline altogether, a new journey, like something new is going to awaken for you, or spiritually, if I may say, for some people here, it's like your awakening is happening right now. Okay, I'm so sorry, I got a call, but awakening, and there was a call. So yes, there is some kind of a calling coming to you from within, that you may have to understand what it is trying to tell you, but you're not yet understanding. So let's see what is coming up and why this is happening. And it could be anything, like it could be about your love life, it could be about your career, it could be about your decisions, it could be about any issue which you're facing, which is disturbing your sleep, or it is causing a kind of anxiety to you. You want to be free from something, and somewhere that you have fixed yourself in a limited belief system. You are living in a box, though you want to come out of that. You are aware, but still you are so fearful that you don't want to come out of that box. You can see here, this Judgment is talking about people are getting free from the box, and they are seeking for some divine help here. But you are also seeking that help, that some magic should happen or something should happen, but it's asking here that only you can free yourself from this. Yes, people can guide you. Yes, universe will give you those signals, give you those people who can help you, but you have to feel that I am ready to come out of the comfort zone. Okay, that comfort zone is not right now serving you with peace. It is serving you more with repeated cycles and patterns. So definitely something is coming for you, which is going to balance how you, for example, what you give to other people, and how open you are to receive also. Like sometimes we block ourselves when we, let's say someone wants to help us, but we judge or we have trust issues and we don't let anyone help, and then we block that opportunity by doubting. And it's not about you are having a doubt with that person, it's like you have certain self-doubt within you. So here it is asking that someone or in some way the help is coming. All you need to have a trust, and you should be also open to be giving to people. Like maybe sometimes you're so much occupied in your own ways that when it's a time to give, like for example, like you are always expecting something from your partner, but you are not doing the work to give them that energy as well. So you can't only expect, you have to also be in a giving nature. So it's about give and receiving balance. Okay, that balance is coming, but you have to introspect about it. You can write down what are those issues, and then you will understand. So it's like come into silence and introspect about it. Have a calm down energy, do some breath work, and it will help you to align. And definitely it is aligning. We have got 3 of Wands. You are on the right track. It is coming to you. You are going into deep introspection about that situation, and it's like more like, I'm taking this journey as a solo to understand myself and why these things are happening. So you are basically shifting from 9 of Swords energy to 3 of Wands energy, which is like coming out of that loop and understanding why it happened at the first place. Okay. And for some of you, I'm getting a message that you are in this cycle because of your career or money issues, something like this. And also for some of you, it could be issues with your family members, I feel. Okay. It is causing you distress. Now we have the Hierophant. So you are coming out of this cycle more and feeling more wise in your decisions, wise in your handling situation, and many other things. So you might also meet a person who is man or woman of wisdom, and they will guide you. So maybe it can happen that in some way there will be some kind of a communication, and where you will realize certain things, and that person could come suddenly in your life, or them already, but it will happen suddenly that you are getting your answers. And it could also happen when you are traveling in near future, or you have already got the answers when you traveled somewhere, or you met someone while traveling, or reaching certain destination, something like this. Okay. Wow. So we have beautiful cards. At the bottom of the deck, we have 6 of Wands. Like, you're completely coming out of this stuck cycle, and you will see that yes, this new path is now available for you. You're enjoying some kind of success and victory, some accomplishments. You're enjoying yourself. You're enjoying the path you created now, the lessons you learned. And I see that there is an offer. This offer is to bring back you to that beautiful emotional state. Someone is really helping you. Someone will show that compassion to you, and in that process, you are going to feel compassionate within yourself. So you will go for some kind of guidance, like astrology readings or tarot readings, or some kind of counseling, or you will take help, like you will go to a person who really counsels you well, and you will interact with that person, and you will get that help. And that person is like full of love, and it could be someone masculine. That's what I'm getting here. I'm not getting a female energy. Maybe it will be an interaction with a man, or if it's a female, she has a very healthy masculine energy, who is completely in touch with their emotions and know what action to take when. So these kind of people, I am feeling, will help you, who are completely balanced within themselves. They will offer that help to you, and you will take it also. Okay. So it's a universal alignment happening with you. Yes, you will receive it. We have Queen of Pentacles. Okay. And then we got 7 of Cups. So 7 of Cups is telling me here right now that you're going to attract a lot of opportunities, and in that process you have to just take care of one thing, that you don't have to rush into any decision. Also because Rahu is also shifting the sign from Pisces to Aquarius. It has already, but it will have its impact later on. So it's for 1.5-year cycle. 1 year, I guess. So, I'm a little confused, but yes, it's at least let's take it for the 1 year, and you will see that you will get multiple opportunities in many ways, like in love affair, in your career, or some people are attracted to you. They are very nice to you. They are seeking help from you. Anything. There are like lots of things are opening up for you, but in that process, don't get overwhelmed, or don't get too excited and you take decisions in rush. Take it slow. We have got 9 of Pentacles to confirm this, that take it slow. A new path is definitely opening for you. You will see the growth. So it will excite you maybe a lot, or it will make you overwhelmed, wow, now it's so be grounded. Don't let that opportunities to make you in the air and you're not grounded. Fly, enjoy, but come to the ground, okay? And ground your energy that it's okay, yes, I worked hard, so I'm getting that opportunity. Now I should take it gracefully. Justice card is here, which is telling me, and we have 6 of cups. I also feel that some past patterns which are repeating now again, and it could be long back cycle which will again trigger you. It could be 6-year-old cycle, 12-year-old cycle, like long back. It could be 2 years, 3 years back, or anything like this, okay? And that nostalgic feeling is going to come again with you. You will, or maybe past people will approach you. But here is the thing, now you have now you are in different zone. You are not into people pleasing, or you are not into you're aware that not to repeat that cycles and pattern anymore. So now when this person or when that patterns trigger you, or in some way, or that situation repeats in your life in some way, take it in slow motion, okay? And like if you have to say no for that particular opportunity, or it doesn't feel good, or you have to talk with your past people or anyone in this coming time. Maybe the situation will be same, the pattern will be same, but with new people, okay, with new jobs, or with new ways, okay? But this thing, you may understand that it is the same thing, same kind of thing. It's like nostalgic feeling, it's happening again. Or even if it's with the past people, slow down, because here is that time breaker coming for you, that pattern breaker strongly coming for you, that you will be completely free of that old cycles which were repeating back to back. This is like a huge opportunity coming for you to take care of your decisions, and how you are dealing with those past circumstances or with those past people. If you want to say no, just be polite and be unapologetic about it, and say no if you feel like. However, whatever you have to, it's not only about saying no to people, but in whatever situation you have to avoid them, or you have to let them go. So that's what it's being asked here. Maybe this will trigger you emotionally in some way, but I feel you're not going to project it to other people. You will take care that, okay, it triggered me, I handled it gracefully, I am breaking that pattern, and now I am ready for the new cycle. So it will trigger your emotion, but you will come back to yourself, introspect about it, and you are good to go, okay? So this is like beautiful, like how it started from 9 of Swords and how it is taking you to this beautiful cycle. And let's see more to it. Wow, this wanted to come. Amazing cards. See, so we have got Page of Swords. This is talking about the new beginning in certain ways in your life, changing of cycle, and it's coming in your favor, okay? Ace of Wands, you're ready for this new cycle because you have introspected, you have understood many things about you, that now you will be ready to take action. Maybe you were analyzing so much, but you were not taking action, and you were only into your emotions, and you were processing your emotion, and that's also okay. But now you are ready to take action that come out of it, and embark into this new journey. And this is like beautiful. You will feel like that youthful energy again. You will feel excited, beautiful again, that you have that surge of energy inside you. You will feel happy about yourself. You are not going, maybe sometimes emotion can come that which will make you to look back, but you will like, oh, I learned from that back, and I don't need to return again. I need to just keep moving, and let me not stuck go in that stuck loop. Yeah, any guidance we have for this collective? Any guidance? Wow, now so okay, so it started from 9 of Swords, and now at the end the guidance which came as 10 of Cups. Now Cups is like emotionally balanced 10, you closed some cycle and opening up new, okay, and you are feeling aligned, you are feeling more balanced, you are more feeling happy vibration around you, you're enjoying happy time, maybe you're reuniting with people, celebrating, going on a vacation, that long awaited vacation. There is like fulfillment, so fulfillment of something, your wish fulfillment or something like that. And in that process, this whole process, if ever you are like feeling confused again, this how it is beautifully these cards came, confusion will turn into movement, like you will be able to take decisions, or you will be like able to move forward with the control, like you will be able to control your senses and let not your senses overpower your head and make you in puzzled way or in dilemma. So it will be beautiful, you will be trusting your intuition. We got Hierophant and now the High Priestess. So some kind of union is happening. It could be your inner union, that you are coming into balance, like your feminine energy, your masculine energy inside. We also got the Chariot here. It's about masculine, feminine energy, yin and yang energy coming into balance, and you are going to open a channel for your abundance. You will now feel that their money is coming, that growth is coming, your self growth is coming, you are out of those anxiety cycles, you are emotionally detaching yourself from certain things. And detaching is always not it's not about that you don't care, you still love, you still care people, but you're not attached to certain outcome or with about whatever people say. You are so serious about your own spiritual well-being that you're moving away from those kind of cycles and emotions which makes you stuck. And yeah, it looks challenging because it's a transformation which we can see in the energy from 9 to 10 it's happening, and how but beautifully it is aligning also. So yes, I feel it's a healthy detachment you're going to do, and you're opening the cycle. And some kind of union, I also feel that it could be like with some person in a way. If you're single, you're going to unite with your partner who is spiritually mature, who is emotionally mature, who is like long term for commitment and for stability coming to you. Two people are uniting, and you are opening that cycle now to welcome that kind of a person in your life, because now you are also spiritually evolved so much, and you are evolving. With these cards are telling me you're evolving. And when I just shuffled this card, this came here, that yes, the transformation is going on. You had certain problems, heartbreaks or disheartening, but transformation is going on, and it's going to lead to this. It's talking here also about marriage. Maybe you're attracting a good marriage partner, as I already said. Celebration, it could be in your career, it could be in many ways, okay? It depends upon your situation right now. So things which you think how it's possible, when it will come, and how it's gonna be, that all things will make sense. Now it will happen effortlessly because you are working on your internal self, and be consistent with that, okay? So this was your reading guide. If it resonated, you can write down in the comment section, you can like and subscribe my channel to support. And for personal reading, always connect on Instagram, or if you don't have Instagram, connect on email ID. It is all mentioned in the description. So hope you enjoyed this reading. Take care. We'll see you in the next reading. Bye bye.